To activate your Cash App Cash Card, start by opening the Cash App on your mobile device. Tap on the Cash Card tab at the bottom of the screen. It is represented by a card icon. Next, tap on the image of your Cash Card. Then select Activate Cash Card. You will be prompted to use the camera on your device to scan the QR code found on the Cash Card, or you can choose to enter the CVV code and expiration date manually. If you choose to scan the QR code, align the code with the camera viewfinder and the app will automatically detect and scan the code. If you choose to enter the details manually, ensure that you type in the correct CVV code and expiration date as they appear on the card. Once you have successfully scanned the QR code or entered the card details, your Cash Card will be activated and ready for use. You can verify the activation status by checking the Cash Card tab, where you should see that your card is now active. It is essential to note that the Cash App Cash Card is a debit card linked to your Cash App balance, and you can use it to make purchases online and in stores, as well as to withdraw cash from ATMs. To ensure the security of your account, it is recommended that you set up a PIN for your Cash Card. To do this, go to the Cash Card tab, select the three dots next to your Cash Card balance, and choose PIN. Follow the prompts to create a unique PIN. Additionally, you can take advantage of the Cash App's security features, such as the ability to temporarily disable your Cash Card if it is lost or stolen, by going to the Cash Card tab and selecting Disable Cash Card. By following these steps, you can easily activate your Cash App Cash Card and start using it for your daily transactions. Always remember to keep your card details and PIN secure to prevent unauthorized access to your account.